So let me just measure A first. Okay.
Well, we don't know the answer because
I
we don't.
think the answer would be, wait, hold on. I think the answer would be 50
No,
for A.
I would say 140. Um, I would
I
say
think
1.
my answer would be, wait a second. Oh, wait, I was measuring in inches. I'm sorry about that.
So,
Okay, yeah, so, yeah, I think my answer would be 40.
140.
140?
Yeah. You have to.
Times 40 equals 40.
Um, it says 40 plus 40. This.
40 plus 40?
Okay. What was the length? What were the length?
The length was 4 centimeters.
What?
The length was 4 centimeters.
Actually, let me just use the line tool. How long was this side in centimeters?
That side? Okay, let me see. Hold on. That's about 2 centimeters.
Okay. So now that turned into 20 centimeters. Now, what you want to do?
Wait, actually, no, wait. That's like a half.
Okay.
That's half. That's half.
Okay. But then what's the length of this side?
Like the height of the first one line you just did, it's like the height, and it's 1.5 centimeters.
This right here.
No, like okay, I'll show you. Can I annotate? Like,
Yeah, sure.
I'll show you. I requested.
Okay, you can annotate right now.
So like for this one right here.
Okay, let me just erase all the annotations right now. Okay, yeah, what line?
This one.
I think you should use the line tool though. But yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry. Okay. So yeah, this one right here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that was 1.5 centimeters.
Okay, so that's 1.5.
That would be 15. One and a. Wait, no.
Okay, so
Yeah, that would be 15. Yeah, that would be 15 centimeters. Sorry, millimeters. That'd be 15 millimeters.
okay. Neil, so the length of this, the height of this would be 1.5 millimeters, right? I mean, 1.
Yeah, it would be 1.5.
Yeah. So, if you want to multiply that by 10, you have to
I have to multiply like each one. So I want 1 times 10 is 10, and 1 by 2 times half times a half. Wait, no, half times a 10 is 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15.
Yeah. So that is why the length of, the height of the rectangle is.
Yeah, the height of the rectangle is 15 millimeters.
Yeah. So what's the length? Length.
Length.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna check. Hold on. It's about 4 centimeters.
4 centimeters. Okay, so
That's easy. 4 times 10.
yeah, 4 times 10 is 40. So
Yeah, 40.
now you want to add 15 and 40, and you get 55, right?
Yeah, you get 55.
And then you want to
And you
double
know,
55, and you would get 110, right? If you double 55,
Yeah.
because there's another.
Yeah, you would get 110.
yeah.
The answer would be 110.
Okay, so should I do B?
Yeah, you should do all of them.
Okay, so I'll do the width first. The width is 1 centimeter.
Okay, so the width is this.
Yeah, that's 1 centimeter. And 1 times 10 equals 10.
Yeah. Yeah.
and then I'll check the length or the height,
This is the height. This is the.
and it's about 3 centimeters. Then 10 plus 30 equals 40, and then if you double 40, that you will get 80.
Yep. I agree with 80.
Okay, now I'll do C. So first I'll check the length, which is, hold on a sec, 1 centimeter.
The length of what?
No, that's no. Wait, hold on a sec. I was measuring it inches again. Okay, now let me check. Okay, that's about 2.5 centimeters.
So okay, so this is
Then that would make it 12.
wait but this is 2.5 centimeters, right?
No, not that. The length.
Oh, okay. The length.
Yeah, that's 2.5.
2.5. If you multiply 2.5 by 10, you get 25. Because let me just show you a little trick.
Yeah, because it would be 2.5, and then if you multiply that by 10, yeah, you would get 25.
No. So we have 2.5 times 10.
You just do each one. Like 2 times 5 is 2 times 10 is 20, and and half times 10 is 5.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, but here's a trick. So whenever you multiply, you're multiplying by 10, right?
Yeah.
So how many zeros are in 10?
1 0.
Yeah. So you move the decimal point 1 to the right, and then the decimal.
oh yeah, I know that trick.
Yeah.
But then you have to be a little careful and do it in a decimal way. Most people don't know the decimal.
Yeah, and then this turns, and then the decimal comes here, and there's nothing before the decimal, so you just have a
It's
big.
it's kind of like every number has a decimal except it's in the end.
Yeah.
So it turns into 25.
Yeah.
So that's the trick. So yeah, 20.
So that would be 25, and then I'll measure the like the height. Hold on. Okay. I keep on turning it into inches. That's about 1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter.
Yeah, that is 1 centimeter.
So it turns into 10. So
Yeah, that equals 10, and then 10 plus 25 is 35.
yeah.
And then if you double that, hold on, let me calculate. That would make it 70.
Yeah. So the answer would be 70.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'll do D. Okay, D is what is this annoying thing? Okay, yeah, I'll do D. Hold on. Okay, so I think D is gonna be 2 centimeters. The length.
This okay. So
This.
what do you think would be faster to what would be fastest to know the millimeters after you do one thing? What do you think you would do?
Like after you know the millimeters, like you have to multiply that by 10.
No. Okay, so here's what you should do. So you have this as 8 centimeters. No. Yeah, 8 centimeters, right? No, you have it as 2 centimeters, right?
Yeah.
2 centimeters.
Yeah, that's 2 centimeters.
since this is a square, you can just multiply it by 4 because a square always has 4 equal sides.
So like 20 times 4?
Yeah, and then you get 80. So
Yeah, so the answer is, oh yeah, that's way much quicker.
yeah.
Okay, I'll do E.
That's why squares
By
are
the
the
way,
most
this is
simple.
my little brother's ruler, so it doesn't have all the 12 inches thingy. Okay, I'll do E. First, I'll do the length, which is 4.5 centimeters.
Okay, 1.5. So what do you think it would be if you multiply that by 10?
I think that would be 45.
Okay, it would actually be 15 because the trick I told you. So you have no, not 105.
Not 105, 1.5.
Yeah, 1.5, and then you times that by 10, right? So the trick I told you was to move this decimal.
That wouldn't be 1.5, guys. I thought it was like 2.5. Wait, was it 2.5? Hold on a sec.
You take out the decimal point and put it at the end because
That was like 4.5.
oh, it was.
Yeah,
Okay, I agree. Then I thought you said 1.5.
yeah, that was 4.5.
Okay, yeah, 45.
Okay, 45. And then now I'll check the height, which is. Hold on. Is that inches? Nope, it's centimeters. Okay. It's about 2.5.
2.5. So
That makes it 25.
yeah.
Okay. And then 25 plus 45 would make it 70.
Yeah.
And then I have to do 70. Okay, that makes it 140.
So yeah.
So I think the answer would be 140.
Yeah, it would be. So let's move on to the next
Question.
Okay, so number 3 will be done by Jonavi. Yeah.
Okay. Convert each of the parameter measurements from question 2 into centimeters. Okay,
Oh,
but I'm pretty sure, that Neil basically already did that when he was measuring it.
yeah, I should have wrote down the things.
You didn't write down the notes? You didn't write down the measure?
No.
Okay, I'll tell you what E was. E was 140, and then D was 80.
Oh, yeah. So he was 140. He was 80.
E was 140. E.
Yeah, he was 140 and D was 40 and
No, D was
A was A was I think A was 110.
So I'll show you. So no, D was 80.
No. E is
No, E was
110.
140.
Neil, can you stop annotating?
Yeah, I'll stop that. Okay. I'm just telling you, E was 140, and then and then D was 80.
Yeah, I know.
I forgot
A
B and
was
C.
110.
This was
I forgot B and C.
But I know A was 110.
B. Well, I mean C. 7 doesn't work. I thought you had to.
What is that thing?
I have no idea.
Can we move that, please?
Yeah, I'm having lots of technical.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Are you on like a Are you like on a PC?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Now it's black.
Oh.
Okay.
What was that? What just happened?
I don't know. Microsoft.
Okay.
Microsoft.
Yep. Now it's back.
What is this?
What is this?
It's an Excel sheet.
Now it's black again.
Oh my gosh. What
Should I
is
just share? Should I share?
Share this. Share that. Okay, that was
Now it's good. Finally. What is just happened? Why does it go black? It's like, okay, I'm glitching out.
Oh, it's not. No, it's literally kind of stupid. It's not. Well, yeah, it's kind of stupid.
It's like,
It's
no,
so
this is how the
annoying.
computer's acting. It's like, first, okay, yeah, there's too much glitchiness going around here, so I'm just gonna glitch black out, okay, and then it just, turns black.
So it was 140, 80,
Yeah, E was 140,
and for
and then
A.
B was 80.
so you
Should I check?
80,
Wait, I'm
My
gonna check.
answer,
Plus 140.
80, no, not 88, 80, and
Okay, I'll check C. I'll just check C again.
C was
C was 25, and then was it?
Wait, E is 140, right?
Yeah, that's no. Yeah, E is 140, bro.
you were, oh yeah, no. Or
is
Okay, so and then
this was 80.
C.
This was 80, and then I think
Yeah, I think that was 70.
what?
I think that was
110.
Oh yeah, 110. Okay, yeah. So yeah, Jordan. So,
okay. So my answer for
He
A,
might have the calculations wrong for C. I don't know.
okay, but yeah, with this John, we can do number 3.
okay,
Is
A is 11 centimeters, I guess.
yeah,
And then B is 8 centimeters.
work. Okay, probably unlock. Okay, yeah. B was
And then C is
what was B? What was B?
8.
Oh yeah, 8. Okay, yeah.
So, and then
No, I agree.
C is 7 centimeters.
Okay, I agree.
C is equal to 7.
Yep.
Equal to
Wait. Could a triangle?
D is 8 centimeters.
D is equal
It's
to
8.
And then E is 14 centimeters.
E is 14. Yep, I agree.
Okay. So number 4 will be done by let's see participant. Yeah. I have to clear all the to clear all. Let me just okay. Let's
He's gonna do number 4.
look.
I think Lochin's gonna do it.
Yeah, Lochin, you can do number 4. Yeah, number 4.
And then next is Sanju.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't actually have a ruler here.
Okay.
You don't need a ruler.
Yeah, you actually do need a ruler.
Wait, oh my gosh. Then Am I the only one that has a ruler?
No, I have no ruler. But I'll just answer this then. So
Yeah, you just answer it. I've already gone.
it says you need to measure the perimeter of the rectangle below, but the corner is broken up. When with partners, discuss how you might be able to work the perimeter of the rectangle before the corner was broken. Okay, so first, what I would do was, so I would make this rectangle a full rectangle, just like that.
Why is the corner broken off?
I don't know. It's a shape.
Oh, that's because it says in the. Okay, yeah.
Okay,
You can go on.
okay, so if you measure all of that, you get 11.5, which is 11 and a half.
Wait. Do you have to do like centimeters or inches?
I think it's centimeters because I measured it.
Okay, so you're doing centimeters.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you measured it, you would get 11.5, which is 11 and a half. So next page.
I measured it, but I measured it, and it's saying all together.
Wait. I got the height. The height would be like 2 centimeters.
But it's no, isn't it one? It's saying 1 centimeter.
No, it's not.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, guys, a ruler is a ruler. Someone didn't measure correct.
I have a ruler. I just measured it with my ruler and it said 2
I
centimeters.
measured with my ruler too.
Okay.
Okay, why would a ruler be different? So
Okay, guys.
why don't you guys measure again?
Centimeters. We're just gonna move on to the next page.
Okay, yeah, just move on. What the? This is
Yeah, it's way better.
this is kind of stupid.
What is this?
Sanju, you can do let's investigate.
Before I do the problem, I'm just Sanjana. That was my nickname.
Oh, okay.
Okay. 3 dice are arranged in a row so that only odd numbers can be seen on the top. How many different ways can the dice be arranged so they only show the odd numbers on the top?
Yep.
So you can turn like the blue dice 1, like the side, turn it to the side right, just flip it over and there will be the number 3 on it.
Mm-hmm.
And you can flip it like in the back side where there would be a 5.
Yeah.
And then yeah, I think that's it for the blue dice. And for the yellow dice, so you can turn it like how we did it to the blue dice. We can just flip it upside down, and it would make the number on the top 3. And we can take another flip, but we can do with the yellow dice. Can you give me a second?
Yeah, sure.
Well, I think we've wasted a lot of time. It's already 2:35. I think we wasted a lot of like time on that question 4 thingy.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't.
Also, we can turn
question
it to the left side.
Yeah.
We can turn it to the left, and the number would be 1.
Yeah.
And also, we can, yeah, I think that's it for the yellow dice.
Yeah.
And for the red dice, one is facing up, so it can turn, like how I said earlier, it can flip to the bottom, and 5 would be on the top.
Yeah.
And it can also flip to the side, which 3, it would be facing up.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it for the red dice.
Yeah. So it says how many different ways can the dice be arranged so that they show only odd numbers on the top. So Johnny, you can do that too.
Okay. So it could be arranged 3, 1 in the middle, which the yellow dice, and 3 again on the red dice.
So Johnny, you don't really need to say that. All you have to say is like how many different ways can it be?
Can you repeat that again?
How many different ways can an odd nu- how many different ways can you make an odd number be on the top? How many different ways?
Like how the pattern is 1, 5, 1.
Like
What?
yeah, like that.
Okay, so it would be 3, 1, 3 is 1.
Okay.
And the other one would be 3, 5, 3. And 5, 3, 5.
Yeah.
And 5, 1, 5. 1 and 1, 3, 1. Those are all the ways that I came up with.
Okay.
There's a lot.
Yeah, there are a lot. I got 27.
Yeah, I can't do all of them.
You don't have to tell.
Yeah.
Those are the only ones that, well, I solved so far.
Okay, so we'll just move on to question 1. Question 1. It's Srijin, you can do number 1.
Okay, so it would be 23, 29, 38, 41.
Okay, yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
So, it's because, so when you add 3 each time,
Yeah.
like the least one is 23 in here, so that would go first. And then you just, oh no, yeah, you can't do that because there might be ones that are not in the pattern. For example, here is 34 and 46. They're not in the pattern because those are even. Wait, does anybody notice anything about this?
Cool guy.
Yeah?
Real quick. Do you notice a new update on the oh my gosh, Cisco WebEx.
No? But, we don't really know. But yeah, I agree with
If you
you.
go to the mouse, if you go to like the mute button, you can just click space, and yeah, you could temporarily unmute.
Yeah, I know that.
It's a pretty cool update, actually.
Yeah. So, Varshita, you can do number 2. Hello, Varshita? Varshita, hello? Okay, Vishu, you can do number 2 then.
Okay. So can you scroll a little down?
Oh, yeah, sure. Number 2 is right here.
Yeah. Okay. But yeah. Mira shaded. Sorry, Mira shaded some numbers on a number square. A.
What numbers form a pattern? What is the rule for finding the next number? So, like, a pattern with 5 and 12 would be adding 7,
Yeah.
and then so the next number would be 19 because 12 plus 7 is 19.
Yeah.
And there is 19, 26, and 33, which is you add 7 again.
Yeah. What's the next
So
number?
like 19 plus 7 is 26, 26 plus 7 is 33, and then the next number would be 40 because when you add 7 to 33, you get 40.
Okay. So B.
And for B, yeah, what would be the next number in this pattern?
Yeah. You're.
I already answered that question.
Yeah. So 3 will be done by me. So 8. It says explain the rule for each sequence in Word. So 1 and then 4. That would be a +3. Guys, there's also one really cool trick to find out how the rule for patterns. If you have like huge numbers and it's like really hard to figure them out, just see if the one like which one has a ones place as 0, and then the next number in the ones place, what's that number? And then that's how much. And also see like the whole number. Just look for the number that ends with.
But in chart there could be numbers without a 0.
Yeah.
Right?
That could be like that. But when it's like that, just figure out the pattern normally how you do it.
Yeah.
But most of the patterns, most
Yeah, that trick is really helpful when you have zeros.
yeah. So so A is +3, and then D is -3, and then no, that's B. So B is -2, and then C is +5, and then D is -3, and then E is +4. So next page 83. This should be kind of easy for everyone. So Avi, you can do number 4.
Number 4.
Yeah, number 4.
Here is a start of a sequence of numbers. 1. Make up your own rule and complete the sequence. Write down the rule that you've used. Choose another rule. Complete the sequence again and then write down a rule that you have used. Now show your sequence to your partner. Can they work out the rule?
Yeah. So it's basically saying here is the start of a sequence of numbers. Make up your own rule and complete the sequence. Write down the rule you have used. So it's just saying like put random numbers in and write the rule. So to not waste time, I just did 1, 2, and then 3, and then I did +1, and then it says choose another rule, complete the sequence again, and write down the rule you have used.
I'll choose my sequence.
Yeah. What was your sequence?
1, 3, 5.
Yeah, I use that for the second one because that would be +2 because that's not really easy. I could have also used +10, but I didn't want to. So 5 will be done by Ishwar. Ishwar. You can do number 5.
So do I do 5?
Yeah.
Total of the row, same as the total of the column. Okay. Um, yeah. Okay. On one line, so in the middle, you put 5,
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
and then on the top end, do you see the top?
Yeah.
That one is 3.
Okay.
Bottom one is 2.
Yeah.
Then the other 2 will be filled in with 1 and 4.
Yeah, I agree. For 8, it says how many different ways can you find?
Can you find?
Yeah, finish one.
There's no other way.
There's lots of other ways actually. You can like flip them. There's also 4 and then 3 and then 5 and then 2. So there's also, let me just get out annotating. And this I would say would be 5, and then on the next line it would be 2, and then this would be 4, and then this would be 3. Wait, no, that wouldn't work. Oh yeah, I know. No, I don't know. Oh yeah, yes, it would be like that. And that would be 1. So basically this is a trick. So you just take numbers, for instance, 5 and 2. That would equal 7, right? So you find another pair that equals 7, which is 4 and 3. So you put those in, like, you have to put those side to side or up to down, and then you just put the left number in the middle, because it doesn't really matter. You don't really need about the left, like the center number after you make them equal, because that means you just add 1 to both of them, so it's still going to be equal. So that's a trick. So there, but how many? There are lots of other ways. How many I figured out was, well, first of all, I need to get out of annotation mode and click on OK. How many ways I figured out were, I figured out 8 ways. Those were all the ways I figured out. But there are lots more, I think. And yeah, so I figured out 8. There might be lots more, but let's see who's next. Johnny, you can do number 6.
Okay.
Yeah, we have 1 minute.
Copy the Carroll diagram.
Yeah.
Odd that's less than 20.
Use these numbers. It says use these numbers.
Yeah. That would be 13.
What would be 13?
Odd less than 20.
Oh, 13.
That's not where it's supposed to go.
I know. Wasting time. So 13.
Yeah. Not less than 20 would be 25.
Yeah. There's also one, which is
Yeah, it could be 35,
yeah,
but it doesn't really matter.
yeah. Which
Okay, so not odd less than 20 would be 18, and not odd more than 20 would be 42.
yeah, I agree. Not odd means even, so
Yeah, because that's the only thing that's not odd.
okay. So this one's gonna be very easy. I hope. Lochin, you can do number 7. A, B,
Okay.
C, and
Should I do
C.
all of them or just A?
All of them.
Okay, so A, when you add two even numbers together, the answer is an even number.
Yeah.
And B is when you subtract an odd number from an even number, the answer is an odd number. And C, when you add three odd numbers together, the answer is odd number.
Yeah. So 8 will be done by Neil. Neil, hello. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. I can hear you.
Okay, yeah. So which one?
8. All of 8.
All of 8. Okay, hold on. Write an example to match each of the general statements below. The sum of an odd number and an even number